In today's video, I'm going to be doing something that I haven't done in a very long time, and I'm really excited to do it, which is stuff my cash envelopes. Wow. Can you believe that we are actually here again? I'm really excited about the opportunity to be able to do this. But first, what we're going to do is I am going to do a little bit of a check-in on my budget just to make sure that what I budgeted for is actually happening. So for these sheets, I'm gonna need my budget sheet. This is actually the budget sheet that I created, and then also I have my expense tracker here. There are some bills that came out that I need to update here on my budget tracker, and then we're gonna complete in some of the bill tracker as well, and then just make sure that I am on track with my bills, some goals, and all that good stuff. So let's hop into it. And really quick, I just want to say, guys, I have been fighting the worst illness this winter. I am actually not one who gets sick a lot, but because I have a little one running around here, you guys, I don't know what it is, but her and I, whatever she gets, I catch it. And I try it. My part is not to, but so excuse me if my voice sounds a little bit different, a little cracky, a little deep. You could probably hear it, so that's why. So let's go ahead and keep going. So tithes was paid, mortgage was paid, or tithes was given, mortgage was paid. Now I thought that I didn't have HOA to pay, but I actually did. It just for some reason didn't update until later on my portal, but I still came in a little bit under. I came in from paying $342, so it was a little bit cheaper, a couple bucks cheaper, but we take all the wins that we possibly can. And so I am going to take my bill tracker and I am going to give myself a check mark for HOA. Actually, this should be in green. And then let's see, Sirius XM did come out for $7.99. And so we're gonna check that off. And then the credit card payment also came on budget for $40, and I think that's all that happened. Now there is something that I do need to add. This was something that I actually did not put in the budget, and I actually forgot about it, and I need to add it here on my bill tracker, which is pest control. I do have pest control. This is actually a new bill for me. I think I got pest control, was it? Where I think it was like in the winter, because I was getting ants, and oh my goodness, they were like taking over my whole house. Like I couldn't take it. I was like, no, this is not gonna work. So I had to bring in reinforcement to get those ants out of here, and I can say that I am very satisfied. And I think it was during the summertime. I'm very satisfied with the services. So I didn't budget for it because I totally forgot about it, but it is $52 a month. I think it's either $52 a month or $25 a month. I need to call and find out, because I think this is a bit expensive, and I'm gonna call and kind of see about this. So I'm gonna actually put this on my to-do list here. Yeah, I'm gonna call them and see how I can kind of get that bill lowered. Okay, so, let me add it here. And this was taken out on the 1st. Yeah, I was also getting like those big old, those California roach things that live in the drain. Yeah, I was like, oh, we have got to bring in reinforcement. So right now I'm seeing $52. Okay, so that's that. And then my solar bill, I had to pay that too. I was having an issue with the website, and because we switched solar companies, this is, let me tell you something, this is one bill that I absolutely can't stand. Think twice before you get solar panels. That's all I have to say. Or think twice before you buy a house with solar panels, especially like a new build, because they kind of get you. And I have told the story about that, but I had called to try to pay my solar panels off, and they were saying that I didn't have that option. So basically it's just a forever rental. So if I ever try to sell my house, I have to also sell the solar panels. It's like something crazy. So just FYI, if you are in the market to purchasing a home, really inquire about the solar panels if they're including that, okay? All right, so that is really it for now. Everything else is on auto pay. That's going to be coming out. So now, let me see, did I check everything off here? This got paid. And then this got paid. Okay, so now that I have updated my bill tracker, my budget, all that's updated. Now we're gonna go ahead and stuff my envelopes. I'm super excited to do this. I haven't done it in so long. I think that I put my yes. So this is the sheet that I'm gonna use to help me separate my money out. And it's not much. I'm only stuffing 4 envelopes. I didn't take money out for cash. Yeah, I'm only stuffing 4. I didn't take money out for groceries, yeah. Okay, I think okay. So I'm gonna do an old school stuffing. I don't have like a tray or anything like that. So let's count the money, make sure it's all here. It should be a total of $550. I have 100, 200, 300. Oh, hold on. Let me get this money correct, because I don't know what they did here. Okay, let's see if I can count this. Make sure it's all here. All right, so we have 200. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. So we know that's 2. 150. 5. All right, so we have all the money. So the first thing that we are going to stuff is, my hair. That is $60. That's gonna be 320s. Now, I don't think that I have a hair envelope. And actually, I'm just gonna have a beauty envelope. So I'm gonna put this here. And then spending is $200, and that's gonna be 520s. And two $50 bills. 20, 40, 60, 81, 152. And do I have, yep, I have a spending envelope here. Next is going to be my savings now. So we're done here. Give it up for a reintroduction of my savings binder. Yay, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna need to look at my budget sheet here so I know which goes into which. Because I'm saving for the 3K challenge and the 52-week challenge. So for the 3K challenge, I'm saving $120. So I need to shade in $120 worth, which is 4 circles. So I believe one is 25. I think it's 25. I should have written down the circles. 30, oops, 25, 25 plus 35 plus 30 plus 30. Yeah, so let me find another $30 circle. Here we go. Okay, so this is a total of $120 going into the January envelope. So I am actually catching up. So that's January. And then next is the 52-week challenge. And this is everything in January. So 65 plus 25 plus 40 plus 45 is 175. So this better be 175 here. So this is 150, 75. All right, back on track for the savings binder, and that's everything here. Now the last thing I just need to look at is my goals to make sure that I am on track. So I am starting my savings plan. I can already check here, but I will check there after the month is over. Yeah, so I'm gonna call pest control, see if there can be a cheaper amount. And yeah, I think yeah, that is everything. All of these have been paid. Yeah, we are doing amazing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I want to say thank you for all the love. And hats off to everyone who's starting over, who's getting your budgets together. I am really, really proud of you. I want to encourage you to keep going. Don't give up. We are in the month of February, and this is usually when people kind of give up or things happen and we forget about the momentum that we had in December, probably like November, December, and January. So I want to encourage you to keep going, lock in, subscribe to the channel, because we don't give up over here on this channel. I want to say congratulations to everyone who has been saving money, who's getting jobs. I'm really excited for the praise reports that I'm getting in the comments. If you have any praise reports, please leave them down below. But if you made it to the end, please leave some money signs, and I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you do it.